I just had way too much chocolate chip cookies. But I would say like the unemployment crisis is to restore maybe like the mining industry and infrastructure building and stop ticking foreigners off, so foreign companies can invest, but they must manufacture here as well. And government subsidize people out of school or university like the first or 2 years, because I heard the rabbi say yesterday that your wealth can fit in your pocket, and that's your trade. So, learn people trades, and that includes farming and all that. So if we reallocate land, then it's like properly farmed, and not just for one person or one family, but commercialized, so it's also employing people. And entrepreneurship, and a lot of this AI, how should I know? And entrepreneurship, and also like to subsidize that, and less red flags, so it's more attractive to hire people. Like instead of 3 months, maybe a longer period, like a year, where there's lesser firing laws, so it's more attractive to hire people. But you also need a will. If there's no will, there's no way.